Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're making another puppet out of some pathetic old ratty dog that the back is broken. I got it for like $1 at a thrift mart, not a thrift mart, more like a, what do they call, flea market, I think it is, one of those indoor flea markets. So that's what I've got here. I've got this necklace that I think is just going to end up breaking because it looks like they wrapped it weird, maybe not. Some shells or what have you. So that's coming off. We're going to make this a quick one. Okay. Here we go. Necklace is gone. Dun, 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 dun. Dun! It's like 3D. Okay. How are we going to get him open? I don't know. Let's do some surgery about, let's see here. Let's do, oh, there's already some sort of a, there it is. Figured there'd be something. Okay. So now we just have to get this mechanism out. Let's do an easy way here and let's give it more of a tear. There we go. And there we go. Okay, should be easy now. Let's get these guys out of here. Come on. Well, how's this one put on? Oh, those little plastic dealies. Okay, let's just tear. If I can get one of them off. There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on. Scissors should do the job. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so that side was easy. This side should be easier. Maybe. Yep, there we go. And there we go. Let's just cut this off here. Let's do it the easy way. And cut, maybe. There we go. Okay. All right, that's garbage. Okay, now. The other half that was broken, ow, it has a sharp piece on it and didn't get cut, so I'm okay. But it does have a sharp piece on it. So that part's going to come out too. And it is glued on, the old glued on mechanism. And then we pull the head over the top of the fur. Yikes, I got to be careful, that's pretty sharp. Come on. Over the top. Get these paws out of here. Hold on. I'm gonna break that. There we go. Alright, so now probably should have kept it for leverage, but that's okay. We need to pull that. That's loose now. Here we go. Okay. Oh, it's one of those dealies there. Well, we need a couple of screws removed here. Hopefully this will work. This should release the head. By the way, it's started getting warm here in Alabama, and it's about 6 o'clock, and it feels like it's 1,000 degrees in here, but that's okay. We're gonna do it the easy way here. Hold on. There's one. Come on. There we go. Hang on. It's sewn in to these mechanisms here. Let's do this. Ow! There we go. Okay. All right, now we can turn it inside out. And finally, we can make a puppet out of it. There it is. Scariest puppet ever. It has no eyes. Hello! I have no eyes. Let's do the finger eyes like we did before. Okay. So there are the finger eyes and the mouth there. Okay, guys. Thank you for coming along. I hope this was fun for you. It's a little rough going there. But for those of you who've been here before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and you'll see more of this silliness. And thank you very much. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye.